Welcome to another DIY video by Ashmiz Amazing World. Today I will make some New Year crafts. New Year is the time for us to set new goals, learn new hobbies and start a happy year with new inspirations. So let's make this New Year special by adding a little creativity. And for more creative videos, click the subscribe button below.
For making our first craft, we need some A6 size colorful papers. Some wool or thread, both sides sellotape, and some sketch pens. We will take 12 papers of the same size and will write Happy New Year with one letter on each paper. And we are done writing all the letters. Now take the wool or thread and cut it into two halves. Now stick the letters Happy on one thread and New Year on the other thread. Use both side tape to stick them. Now it's time to add some extra decorations. And this is how it looks. Stick it anywhere on the wall. And our simple New Year wall hanging is ready. For making this craft, we need white paper, sketch pen, some color papers, scissors, and glue. First, fold the A4 size paper into half to give it a card form. Now, cut out 4 cards of colorful paper and give them heart shapes. These 4 little hearts are looking really cute. Take the card again and stick the 4 hearts on it like this. Write 21 on the center 2 hearts and anything you want on the other 2. Inside the cards in which we wrote 21, write 22. Below the hearts, write Let's turn the year. Now let's give our card a little finishing touch. And our New Year greeting card is also ready.
I hope these ideas were helpful and will make your New Year special. So try out these ideas and add a creative touch to your New Year. Bye! Meet you in my next video. Till then, be amazing!